In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your take profit on MetaTrader 5. Setting a take profit level is one of the most important habits you can build as a trader. It helps you lock in profits automatically when the market reaches your target price, so you don't need to sit in front of the screen all day watching every tick. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process inside MetaTrader 5, keeping everything clear and simple. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you already have at least one active trade running. We're going to work directly from the trading area at the bottom of the platform. Depending on your version, this area may be called the terminal or the toolbox, but it will look like a panel with several tabs such as trading, exposure, account history, and so on. Look toward the bottom of the screen and select the trading tab. This is where all your open positions are listed. You should see information like the symbol you're trading, the lot size, your entry price, and current profit or loss. Next, find the specific trade you want to set a take profit for. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct position, especially if you have multiple trades open on the same symbol. Once you've located the right trade, move your mouse over that row and right-click on it. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Modify or Delete. This will open a new window where you can adjust the details of your open position. Don't worry, you're not closing the trade here, you're just editing its parameters. Inside the modification window, you'll see fields for stop loss and take profit. Focus on the take profit field. Here, you can either type in the exact price level where you want your trade to close in profit, or use the small arrows next to the field to move the target up or down. Make sure the level you choose makes sense with your trading plan and isn't too close to the current price, otherwise it might get triggered immediately by normal market noise. Once you're happy with your take profit level, follow the on-screen prompts. Usually, this means clicking the Modify button to confirm your changes. After you do that, your take profit will be set, and you should see it reflected both in the trading tab and as a horizontal line on your chart. And that's it. You've successfully set a take profit on MetaTrader 5, helping you manage your trade more professionally and automatically secure your target.